Hi friends, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel, Nelly Max Concept. This is where mathematics is made very simple. My name is Nelson. In case you are seeing this channel for the first time, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, like my content, drop comment for feedback, and please share my content. Thank you so much. Today, I have an interesting question to solve with you. I'm sure you are going to enjoy the question. And we are not allowed to use calculator in solving the question of today. The question says, without using calculator, simplify 6 power 4 times 15 power 5 times 21 power 6, all divided by 14 power 6 times 10 power 5 times 27 power 5, okay? This dot means multiplication, okay? It means times. All right, this is what I want to solve with you today. And it is going to be very simple. Don't forget, a calculator is not allowed. Okay, now let's look at the solution. Solution. This is the question that we are to simplify. Okay, before we solve this question, I want us to recall an important property, all right, in mathematics. If we have a number A such that A is equals to B times C, okay? That is for A, B, C, element of real numbers, all right? So if we have that A is equals to B times C, that is B and C will multiply themselves to give us A. If this is the case, then it implies that A raised to power of n is same as B times C all raised to power of n, okay? Which can be further simplified as what? B power n times C power n. Distributive property. You can distribute the power to B and C, okay? So this power or index n, okay, can be distributed to B and C, okay, which are inside the bracket, all right? So from here, we're getting B raised to power n times C power n, okay? So this is true, all right? So friends, this property is an important property. It will help us to solve this question without any stress. Since we are not allowed to use calculator, so 6 power 4, 15 power 5, 21 power 6, and so on will not be so easy for us to get, using our brain. Okay, so this property will help us to break these numbers into smaller units, and when we are done with that, we can get the answer easily. All right, let's proceed with the solution. All right, guys, this is the question. Now we are going to apply the property we just learned. All right, let's see how that goes. You and I know that 6 can be expressed as 2 times 3. Okay, 15 can also be expressed as what? 3 times 5. Okay, 3 times 7 is what? 21. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 9, 27. Of course, the powers are still where they are, right? Power 4, power 5, power 6, and so on. All right, the next thing to do here is to distribute the powers, okay, to the numbers in the bracket. Now, let's see that. So, we are going to distribute power 4 to 2 and 3 so that we can have 2 power 4 times 3 power 4. Then here, we are distributing power 5 to 3 and 5. So we have 3 power 5 times 5 power 5, okay? That goes on and on, all right? So lastly, we have what? 3 power 5 times what? 9 power 5. It is very clear. The next thing we have to do here is to express 9 as 3 squared so that we can have more common bases. All right, let's see how that goes. So instead of having 9 power 5, we can have 3 power 2 times 5. That means we have what? Power 10 here. Okay, guys, let's look at what we have. Let's study this expression carefully. If you observe very well, you see that there are numbers that can possibly cancel out. All right, let's see. Um, 3 power 5, and 3 power 5 can actually, cancel out. 3 power 5 up, 3 power 5 down, they can go. All right. Also, 5 power 5 up and 5 power 5 down can also cancel out. Then, as you can see, we also have 7 power 6. All right. So 7 power 6 and 7 power 6 can actually cancel out. Okay. So we are making progress in simplifying this particular expression. So in the numerator, what we have left is what? 2 power 4 times 3 power 4 times 3 power 6. So we can apply the multiplication law of indices on 3 power 4 times 3 power 6. Okay. In the denominator, we can as well apply multiplication law of indices on 2 power 6 and 2 power 5. Okay, then we are retaining our what? 3 power 10. So let's see that here. Okay, so here we have 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3 power 4 plus 6 divided by what? 2 power 6 plus 5 times 3 power 10. 2 times 5 is what? 10. All right, so what we have next is what? 2 power 4 times 3 power 10 all over 2 power 11 times 3 power 10. Okay, that's very, very simple. 3 power 10 and 3 power 10 can go, they are the same, so they can cancel out. All right, so what we have left is what? 2 power 4 minus 11. When you apply division law of indices, okay, when the bases are common, then you can subtract the powers. I think that's very, very clear. It's a basic law of indices. Okay, so what we have here is what? 2 power minus 7. And here we can apply negative index, which we treated in our previous topic. So finally, we have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 7. And 2 power 7 is what? 128. Is that clear? 2 power 7 means 2 times 2 times 2, into 7 times. Multiply 2, okay, by 2 into what? 7. All right? So that is how 2 power 7, gave us 128. Is that clear? 2 power 7 is not 2 times 7, okay? It's 2 times 2 times 2, just like that, in 7 places, okay? Multiply 2 what? In 7 places. And that gives us what? 128. So the correct answer to this question is what? 1 over 128. This is the answer. Very, very simple. We did this without the use of any calculator. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. I'll see you again in my next lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, okay? Try to like this video, subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.